Very here, they're not hairs, okay? There's a bundle of myelinated axons. Okay, don't take it paparazzi. Paparazzi, you will get your time. Just just hold on, hold on, hold on. Let me magnify this. Here you go. You can see some. You can see some. Can you see the gap?
Mm-hmm.
That is the node of Ravier.
A what?
Ranvier, R-A-N-V-I-E-R. It's a French,
Oh,
a name.
nod.
Node of
Node.
Ravier or neurofibril node. And here, what is the name of the cell here? This is, yeah, you do not see all the parts of this is Schwann cell, no doubt about that. Here, this is a Schwann cell, this is another Schwann cell, this is another Schwann cell, and you can see these neurofibril nodes or nodes of Ravia. This node of this name is immortal. Yeah? That node was dedicated to this person who was a neurobiologist, maybe a doctor, who knows. Let us go for a little higher magnification. Then I will ask you several questions. I'll ask you, I'll give you answers also. No big deal. Come on. There you go. If I ask you with a pointer pointing to this node, if I ask you, is this region myelinated or unmyelinated?
Unmyelinated.
Very good, unmyelinated. Is this region myelinated or unmyelinated?
Myelinated.
Myelinated. What is the name of the cell here?
Schwann
Schwann
cell.
cell. Yeah? Careful about the spelling. S-C-H-W-A-N-N. You know, you heard about the unified theory, cell theory, that all living organism is made of cells, isn't it? And it was a theory by Schwann and Schleiden. Yeah, one was a botanist, one was a zoologist. Yeah, so this will be Schwann was a zoologist. Yeah, and Schleiden was a botanist, and both names suggest they were Germans. Okay. So, if I ask you identify your slide, what are you going to write? Myelinated axons. You get that? All right? Then I might ask you, identify as indicated with a pointer. What is that?
Unmyelinated.
No. Node of Ravier.
Oh.
When I ask you, is it myelinated or unmyelinated? You say unmyelinated. And this region, myelinated or unmyelinated? Myelinated. And the cell is Schwann cell. Okay? We covered, yes?
How can you tell if it's myelinated or unmyelinated?
Because the cell is covering the myelin. You haven't seen the myelination?
So the ones that look more hairy, they're covered with myelin, right?
Don't say hairy. Not hair. I'll give you.
Took
No, I
such
have an
offense to
example.
it.
Yeah, you know, this is a flat Schwann cell. Okay,
Okay.
I have all this. This is the axon. Look at that. What a Schwann cell does? It wraps around and around and around and around and around. When it's wrapping around, the cell membrane is wound around the axon. So the layers You can see several layers of the cell membrane. That is a myelin sheath, and that is covered here. That's why this region is myelinated. You can,
God bless you.
that is the whole cell. So this region is myelinated, but here the gap is unmyelinated. You get that?
Mhm.
It's as simple as that. You saw that in Adam, you know, when I clicked on the Schwann cell, it was wrapping around and round. So this is my ready-made Schwann cell. All right? Pinkish. So we're done with this. Next, let's go.